What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, in today's video, we are here in my favorite freaking part of Lexington, Kentucky, my favorite road. I've done tons of videos on this road. I've done tons of videos in this area. I love this just because it's so secluded. And the model that's going to help us out here today is...
Hi, my name is B. It's nice to be with y'all.
She's going to help us out with this video. You can see she's doing the whole Western cowgirl vibe thing we got going on here. We're going to do a couple of outfits, like I said, in the middle of the road. Are you ready to get some good work in today?
Oh, I'm ready. Been ready.
Okay, she is ready to get some good work.
Real deal.
Real deal Holyfield. As real as it comes. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. 1, 2, and 3. Well, a couple more. I'm gonna switch lenses too here. Okay. I like that pose. Hold that for 2 shots. 1, 2, 3. Let me look at this. Hold that. Yep, 2 shots. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. I like it. Yeah, let's look down just like that, like that. Let's go back this way. That's nice. 1, 2, and 3.
Ooh, I love that.
All right, that was a good pose that you had there. Don't let me stop you. 1, 2, 3. Ah, that was spiky. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold it. Yeah, go ahead, give me a few more. Yep.
Yeah, I'm liking the toe out a lot better.
Same vibe. This is a different lens, so I just want to do a little bit of, bring some of that background to you, know what I'm saying? Yep. 1, 2, 3. And look at the road. Same way, yep. 1, 2, 3. Sit down, middle, change clothes. Got me? Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, and 3. You still call me Superman. Tilt your head up a little further up for me. Yeah, about right there. Yeah. About right there. Up a little bit. Right there. Cut you down just a tad bit. I just don't want to hit you with too much light. Look at me one more time. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Are you ready?
We're working.
We're working. We're ready. This real deal Holyfield now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on now. What? I knew. See, that was a good decision. That's a good business decision. Good business decision by Stan. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I like this dress. I'm glad I got this. I almost talked myself out of getting it. Sure, I liked the other day. But I don't know if it'll look good for me, but she was like squatted.
Okay.
I don't know. She made it look look good. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Look at these real quick. Oh, that works. I cut your foot off. I gotta go again. 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3.
God.
What you want? What do you see?
I love it.
Oh, okay. I thought you maybe see something that you want to do. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. I'm focusing issues. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3. Stay there. I like it. But we're gonna do a little bit of adjustments here. I'm gonna scoot you out, way out here. Angle you here. Let me do a couple test shots first because I got that light so far back now. 1, 2, and 3. All right, go ahead and give me a different pose now. Give me 5 good ones here, Brittany. I like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I kind of like that too. I like the vibe.
Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Brittany and I just put in for you. Now, Brittany, how did you enjoy the shoot?
Oh, I loved it. It's a great location. 10 out of 10.
So she says. Anyway, if you want to work with Brittany, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen. Bye now. Brittany, until the next video.
Till next video.
To the next freaking video, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Are you ready? You got your nerves out there?
I don't know what you want me. Am I just standing still and just
Whatever.
saying words?
Yeah, whatever you want to say.
Okay.
You good?
No.
Are you nervous this time around?
No.
Okay, she's not nervous no more, folks. Put this hat up.